You put my key in your ignition, baby. What up,
Big guy, what's up? They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy, okay. And we be putting on for sure. And if you know this, join in, subscribe to the channel. We like the video, it's a big family, and we putting on big for the team, oh, big guy, what's up? They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy, big guy.
Hey, big guy.
They gon' feel us when we roll.
It's your boy. What up? Back with another banger in the new place. Look at it, guys. Nice, comfy. I still got to get rid of this box. It has to go. And still got some little stuff to put up. I got to put the sound system up. So I put the pictures up of the fam. And yeah, we got some nice little things going on up in here. But the main thing is the kitchen area. Look at that. Yep. Little chore. We'll show you my little bedroom, but hey, got a lot going on in there. Maybe next. I have to say this. We are making some stuffed peppers today. We're eating healthier. We're getting more fit. We're being more active. We got more energy. Not your average bell pepper, because on this channel we don't do average. Along with this, Jambalaya inspired stuffed peppers. So I got shrimp. I got some sausages. Got a little crushed tomato, tomato sauce. Got some ham. I'm just using that because it's in the refrigerator. I need to use it. Got some chicken. Got some onion. A little salt, little spices, whatever. And some ground chicken. That's jumping right here. We're not using none of that. Or that. But we got our peppers right here. Nice and beautiful. Yeah, so I'm gonna use those guys. And I'm gonna chop it with some cheese. Damn, let that stand up for now. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, there we go. Here, back to the kitchen. With a new kitchen, gotta get new, hardware. So I got me some green pan. I'm not sponsored by these guys now, but I just wanted to show you what I got here, what I'm working with. So we're gonna go ahead and get our meat started. Add chicken. I'm gonna add these fillets in the air fryer. Some simultaneous cooking. Add those in the air fryer. Put these jokers on here, 360 for like, maybe about 20 minutes, sorry. About 20 minutes. All right, guys, go get this onion cut up. Got to have some good old onion. You know what I'm saying? Some onion. Yeah, baby. I don't know where everything is yet. I got a bigger cutting board. I don't know where it is. It's between here and the storage. So the onion is cut up. And I got the ham right here. I'm just gonna use this as really good ham, man. Really good ham. Look at the texture of it. It's not, you can tell it's really good ham, and it's not the processed, mixed up stuff. So basically, it should melt and gel well within this jambalaya. When I get through frying it with the rest of the meat, I'm gonna cube it up basically. You can see that or not. There we go. You see it. Yeah, basically got it all cubed up here. Nice little flavor. Just gonna add to it. I'll make like a jambalaya, but I'm also gonna stuff the meaty portion of it in the peppers. I'm gonna take my pepper, my little, I think what they call these little things. Hold up, let me get the right name. My freezer is huge. It's a lot in here. What is it? Little Smokies, yeah, little Smokies. Yeah, I'm gonna take little Smokies, I'm gonna cut them up, cut them in half, bite size, so where they're good to go. Let me do this, gonna only have one here. I got the shrimp, these are cooked shrimp, I'm gonna put those in last. I'm going to put my pork in now. Actually, one more thing before I do that. The ground chicken, man, the ground chicken, that goes in first with the onions and the ground chicken in the pan. Go ahead and put some onion on it. Shake it off, make sure it don't drop. There we go. The onions on the top of there. Season it with some Creole. Season with the Creole. And gonna get it nice, steady seasoned. And we're gonna let this cook. Add me a little pepper. Seasoned chicken like you normally would. Brown accent. Just a little bit, like a half a teaspoon. Good fat garlic. Yeah, baby, put that garlic in that joint. Yeah, about that's a tablespoon of this. No, not a tablespoon. A teaspoon. Get that. You got that, what's that? The Kinders? Yeah, some using smoke flavor. Yeah. Yeah, mix it. Yes, we got the ground turkey all nice and cooked and seasoned. Then we're gonna add the sausage. Yes, another ham, baby. Get that ham on there. There's more onion. More onion. Kitchen. There you go. That's how it looks in there. Going in there. Chicken does not have that much oil, so it was mostly moisture, mostly water. Keeping us still pretty healthy. You know, we can do without the pork, but hey, it is what it is today, baby. Look at that. I'm gonna just get it all cut up. I'm sorry, get this all cooked up. And then we're gonna add the shrimp last, and then the potty goes with the rice. For another little depth of flavor, I'm gonna add these chicken breasts that I put in the air fryer. I'm gonna keep them up. These breasts, you get them at Walmart. Not Walmart, Sam's. Already cooked. Hickory smoked breasts. That's how they look cooked inside the air fryer. Let me show you the back. I got them. Mesquite grilled chicken fillets. Basically already cooked, fully cooked. 3 pounds bag for like 11, 12 bucks. For another depth of flavor in the meat, I'm gonna add this chicken fillets. Yeah, it's gonna be meaty, mad meaty. All right guys, here we go, I got everything in here. It's just the meat part of it, of course. To taste it, if you like it, as far as the seasoning. And these little smokies are really good. My goodness, these little smokies, they're really good. Nice, flavorful. And once it gets to the point I like it here, I am going to get this rice started. Make sure I finish the second portion of this this beautiful, beautiful meal. Got my water boiling. I'm just gonna start adding my meat. All right. Let this gel together. It's only 2 cups of water. So it's not much at all. It's enough for the rice to soak up. Next we're gonna add some crushed tomatoes. This is about a can so far and it's splashing everywhere. Good, and stir it up. Calm down a bit. Calm down, Poppy, calm down. This is just a meat mixture. I'm preparing the way, I don't have any okra, fudge. Okra will be really nice in this. The tomato, was crushed tomatoes, which I added a whole can. I'm gonna add a little sugar to cut that tartness. About a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of sugar. Got it all mixed. Got my sauce here. So you guys know, obviously, I'm only using this box here for the rice and the flavor. Pour the whole pack in. Flavor. All right, guys. Since I had so much sauce, I went ahead and added another cup of rice. And we're gonna stir this up, top this for like 25 minutes, and let it simmer. And then we'll be done with this portion of it. Then we'll prepare our peppers. Last but not least, the shrimps. Cooked shrimp. That's about 2 cups. Yeah. Last but not least, the shrimp. All right, get this guy all covered up. Then reduce it to low. And be still and know that the Lord is the Lord. It's time for the start of the show. Some beautiful colors. All right, what I'm gonna do first is cut these chunks in half and clean them out. Stick off of them. Cut them in half. And take all the stuff in the middle. Get all that out of it. Actually, all the seeds and stuff, just get it out. Take the seeds out. Go in the trash. I'm gonna get all the seeds out these guys. Okay. Get them all out. Thank God these don't have that many seeds in it. That's good. It's pretty good. Cut these the long way. A nice big old cup in them. Look at that. You clear out the insides. I'm gonna keep these just for, actually you can use them all. I might just use them for a different occasion. I got a couple cut halfway. All right, let's go ahead and get these guys stuffed. All right guys, we're gonna add the peppers to boiling water for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. There you go. 5 minutes. We'll be right back, guys. We got the peppers here cooking. We're boiling in this water. Sorry for the steam. Go away, steam. And this is just pre-cooking the peppers to make sure they're nice and soft after we put them in the oven. 5 minutes. Take them all out and let them cool. So give them time to cool. We're gonna stuff them and put them in the oven. Okay guys, let's take some olive oil and coat our pan. We can take and add our stuffing to our bell pepper. Nice and good in there. Set the next one up. Stuff it up nice and neat. Got the tall ones in there. Look at that. They're looking good. They're smelling good too. And let's get the rest of these guys. We can top it with a little sauce. Sorry. We're right there. We're right there. All right, we top it with a little sauce. And I ran out of tomato sauce. We're going to use a little piece of sauce. There you go. Okay. Look at that, guys. One more. Actually, two more. Just a little bit. Okay. Nice. Then we're going to take it. And just a little bit cheesy now. Just a little bit. A little cheese in now. The oven on 375. I'll cook for like up to 30 minutes. Covered. Okay. Pre-oven. Just covered it with some foil. I didn't press down on it. It'll go for about 20-25 minutes. 20-25 minutes. In the oven it goes. Yes, here we are. In the oven for like 30 minutes. I'm gonna go another 10 minutes with the final topping. Cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. And we're not gonna cover it this time. So let it be. You add how much cheese you want to add. I'm supposed to be having cheese, so I'll be moderate with my pieces here. But for you guys, I'm gonna add more. Okay. Look at that. Jambalaya Stuffed Peppers. All right, here we go. Oh, they're done. They're officially done, son. They're all good to go, guys. Turn this oven off. Just a plate and take one out of here and see what it do. All right, guys, let's see what it do. Stuffing, look at that. All right, let's get it. Oh man, I'm gonna tell you very honestly, I didn't think I was gonna like this. This is pretty good, but definitely wait until it cools down some. Look at that. Woo. It's nice and sweet. The stuff is on point. Now I got some shrimp right here. What is the inside out? Inside of it. Yeah, it's just good. Yeah, man. You know what? I kept eating it. I know it. That's really good. Woo! Took a little bit longer than I expected. Maybe it's the way I did it, but it's all good. It turned out well, and I think it's a nice light dinner treat, and a little more on the healthy side, you know. So you guys try and put my description of what I did in the description, and we're gonna go from there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're here just watching the video, please like and subscribe. It's free. Join the family. And I am back posting more frequently. I know I got some flack for not posting as frequently as possible, but I did have to move the last month or so. It was, but no excuses. It is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be praying for you and pray for me. And I'll see you guys the next time around. Much love. Peace.